Hello friends, today we are going to see the next chapter, that is Together We Move. As like human being, animals also like to live in group. Most of the animals live in a group. Each group has a leader who is usually the oldest or the strongest member of that particular group. All the members of the group follow their leader and respect him. The leader faces and attacks to protect the group. Now, why the animals wish to live in the group? Now, first one, to protect themselves from danger. Moving in the group helps the animal to protect themselves from the enemies, especially in the time of danger or difficulties. The attacker is confused when he looks the group. Second one is search for food and water. Animals find it convenient to move in the group while they graze, hunt down their prey, or look for water. Take care of young ones better. Young ones of animal play together. They push, bite, and even have friendly fights. Sometimes, in case of danger, the oldest animal keep the babies in the middle of the group. Now, every animal has a different name for their group. The first one we are going to see is about the animals like elephant, cow, buffalo, zebras, deer, wild horses, and giraffes. They move in a group. The group is called as herd. In the herd, the elephant, if you see in the group of elephant, the female elephant is the leader of the herd or a group of elephant. She sets the rule for the young ones. The second one is troop. Now, which type of animals group is called troop? Like monkeys, chimpanzees, or gorilla. These animals stay in a big number. There are 50 to 60 members in each group. This group is known as troop or band. Troop of monkeys or band of gorillas, chimpanzees. In this group, the oldest male leads the group. One or two members are always on the guard against danger. They help each other by combining each other's fur, sharing and facing enemy together. Now, animals like lions also live in the group. Now, the group of lions are called pride. What is the specialty of this group? In this group, the lioness is the group member or head of the group. She takes care of the lions and the cubs. Also, she hunts for them. The group of birds. Also, as we have seen, the groups of birds, when they move into the group. Such a group of birds are known as flock. They feel safety when they move into the group. Also, they are able to find the food easily. Many big animals fly for the kilometers. When they fly in a specific shape which we call as V formation. Because of this formation, it helps them to reduce their energy for a long distance. Now, a group of fish. The group of fish is called shoal. All the fish in the group move in the same direction. We call it as swimming. They move in the group to confuse the attacker. The group of bee is called swarm. We have seen the bees move into the group. Here, in this group, each member has a specific role to play. We have seen in honeybee, so in the beehive, there is a queen bee, there are worker bees, and there are soldier bees. So every member of this group has their specific work. They live a disciplined life in their hives. Now, the wolves also live in the group. The name of the group of wolves is pack. In this group, 6 to 7 wolves stay in a group related to each other. Like they are of the same family, blood relation is there. And in this group, the parents protect their babies. Here, male and female both protect their babies. Group of whale is called pod. A member whale is extremely close to its baby. Sorry, the mother whale is extremely close to its baby. Now, the group of ants or termites is called a colony. A colony of ants or a colony of termites. They all perform a specific duty and maintain perfect harmony within their groups. Till now, we have seen about the animals who wish to live into the group. There are few animals who wish to live alone or solitary animals. Solitary means alone, they wish to live alone, solo type. Some animals, such as shark, bear, and rhino, do not like to live in groups, they live alone. Now, there are some animals who depend on other animals and in turn they help each other. Yeah, from the different group, the members of the animals depend upon different groups. For example, animals are special because they help each other. Birds like plover sits inside the mouth of crocodile and clean their teeth. We know the animals cannot brush their teeth, but they need to keep their teeth clean. How do they keep? When the crocodile eats, the leftover food is in the teeth or in the jaws. This leftover food is cleaned by a small bird, plover. It sits into the mouth and it eats the leftover food. Here, the plover gets the food and the crocodile gets its teeth cleaned. The crocodile does not eat that bird as it is helping the crocodile. Birds called egrets ride on the back of animals like elephant, cattle, and deer. It feeds upon insects found on the body of these animals. Fish like the rhinora sits on top of frogs and big fish. It feeds on the leftover remains of these animals. As the small insects or small birds are helping the big one, they does not harm that small insects or birds. Hedgehog. Can you see a small animal in the hand? Means it is smaller than a palm. Yeah, we'll see. Shy, friendly, and aggressive animals. We have seen the group. We have seen the name of the group. We have seen who is leading the group. Now we are going to see the nature of the animals. What type of nature they have. Okay, animals are different from each other. Some animals are shy by nature. They run away at the slightest sound made by human beings. Mice, squirrels, chameleon, dragonfly, deer, lizards. These are shy animals. The hedgehog curls up as a spiny ball, and a tortoise curls up into its shell if we try to touch it. Means they go inside their body. They take their body into the protective shell. We know the tortoise has a big protective shell on its body. Animals such as dogs, cats are some of the pets that are kept in the home as they are friendly animals. Now, some animals like cow, buffalo, and goats are kept in a farm as people depend on them for their livelihood. Like we know, we keep our means we keep some animals in the farm for milk, for egg, for meat, for chicken, and we depend on them. Like we sell them and we get the money. But rabbits and pigs may take time to come to us because they are shy by nature. But we cannot keep some animals like lions, tigers, and leopards as they can be aggressive and they may harm us. So they are kept into the zoos.